Running a home boutique on Instagram can be challenging. The platform's ever-changing algorithm often hides your posts, limiting visibility. Payment processes can be cumbersome, leading to abandoned purchases. Expanding your reach beyond Instagram is crucial for showcasing your creations to a broader audience. Let's explore solutions to these common struggles. Instagram's ever-changing algorithm often hides your products, limiting visibility. Payment processes can be cumbersome, leading to abandoned purchases. Expanding beyond your current followers is crucial for growth. Addressing these challenges can transform your boutique's potential, ensuring your creations reach a wider audience and streamline sales. Priya, a handloom boutique owner from Kochi, shares her struggle. Hours spent answering repetitive questions about sizes, colors, and delivery times. This exhaustion stifles creativity and business growth. A staggering 78% of home-based entrepreneurs face similar challenges, diverting focus from innovation to customer queries. Relying solely on Instagram for business can be costly. 68% of potential customers abandon purchases when product options aren't visible. Kerala boutique owners spend 5.5 hours daily on direct messages and orders, leading to 42% missed revenue opportunities. These hidden costs impact your profits and efficiency. Imagine waking up to overnight order notifications, effortlessly increasing sales. Displaying your entire collection in one place encourages customers to purchase more. Detailed reports reveal bestsellers and loyal customers, empowering you to make informed decisions. This approach transforms your business into a 24/7 digital boutique, enhancing efficiency and profitability. Your own e-commerce website is a digital boutique operating 24/7, showcasing your creations and handling payments seamlessly. Successful Kerala boutique owners leverage this to grow their businesses while reducing work hours. Surprisingly, setting up and maintaining this platform is easier and more affordable than expected. A dedicated website enhances discoverability, allowing customers to find you through Google searches, not just Instagram. It offers a superior shopping experience, enabling customers to browse, filter, and view all products seamlessly. Moreover, a professional website elevates your business image, making it appear established and trustworthy, which encourages larger purchases. Lakshmi, a home-based boutique owner from Trivandrum, transformed her business by launching a website. Her sales skyrocketed by 70% in 2 months, moving from 5 to 6 orders per week to over 20. Customers now browse her collections anytime, even at 2 a.m., enhancing convenience and boosting sales. Our website is designed for Kerala entrepreneurs, especially busy moms. It's easy to update, supports local payment options like Paytm, unified payments interface, and cash on delivery, and is mobile-friendly. No technical expertise is needed. If you can post on Instagram, you can manage this site. We also offer custom mobile applications for Android and iOS. The starter package is ideal for new boutiques, offering up to 50 products, sales reports, and Paytm and cash on delivery payments. The growth package supports expanding businesses with up to 100 products, custom color combinations, and all starter features. The premium package caters to established boutiques, providing up to 200 products, inventory reports, and priority support. Our platform offers easy product uploads, allowing you to add new designs effortlessly. Detailed sales reports help identify bestsellers and top customers, tracking growth weekly and monthly. Utilizing Next.js technology ensures fast-loading pages, enhancing customer retention and engagement, similar to what big brands use. Post stunning photos on Instagram to captivate your audience. Use your bio and stories to link directly to your website, allowing followers to explore your full collection. This strategy often leads to increased sales, as customers are more likely to purchase multiple items when they see a wider range of options. Ksoft Technologies offers over 7 years of expertise in crafting websites tailored for Kerala businesses. We understand local market preferences and specialize in supporting women entrepreneurs. Our approach is simple, with jargon-free communication and ongoing support in Malayalam and English. We build partnerships, ensuring technology empowers rather than hinders your business. No technical knowledge is needed. If you can use Instagram, you can manage your website. We offer full training and support. Your boutique website can be live within 7 to 10 days. It complements your Instagram presence perfectly. Post-launch, our support team is always available via email or WhatsApp for any assistance. Sign up before September 30th to receive a complimentary 1-month maintenance package for your boutique website. This offer ensures your site runs smoothly post-launch. For more details, contact us at +91 884849096 or email info@ksofttechnologies.com.